grill is hot. Don't touch it. Hello guys, so I'm here outside jerking some chicken with my friend Delano.
Oh, sorry.
What takes so long, bro?
I got the knife. Hey guys. What can I call your people? Like corns,
I
cocos?
don't really have a fan base yet, man. So I don't want to label them yet.
I think we should work with cocos. Hey cocos.
Yeah, so we're jerking some chicken outside. My friend Delano is about to be lit.
Let's go.
Jared, so I'm going to ask you to start with the chicken. I'm going to start with the fire, alright?
Alright, no problem.
Can you manage it?
Sure.
Oh, by the way, I just want to cut it in half. Shit. Bro. Yes, I'm going to ask you to cut it in half, okay?
Alright, for sure.
Just write it down. Just, alright. Just
Cut it in half. I know what a half is.
and down the spine, okay?
Alright, no problem.
I'm going to be over there with the fire.
I think I need a bigger knife though.
Sorry, that knife is okay, sir.
Oh, alright.
Yes. Yes, I'm over here making a fire for the grill and the breadfruit. I'm going to serve the jerk chicken with some breadfruit. So Jared, you good over there, sir? Just in half, you know, just in half, bro. Just half.
Oh.
Just one half, bro. I want to start with the seasoning.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah. You don't got yourself yet. Yeah, so we're going to put everything in the blender, so just cut off, cut it off.
About here?
Wait, put it on the cutting board, please. Now cut the end, the root.
Yes, sir. Can I not cut this first?
Yes, cut first. Now just cut that in like 4.
Honestly, I'm kind of nervous, you know. It's not every day that I cook. I can cook, but it's not like an every time thing. Thanks.
No, put that in the blender.
Oh. Let's take out the entire cup layer. I see, bro.
You okay from here?
Well, I'm sure. Alright, I want to use a shot here though, where like me I do it faster. So people think say yo everything to just eat.
I'll use what I think is good.
So I think yeah. Simple. So we're just going to make it a bit easier for the blender. We already have a bit of bigger slices in there. Let's cut this as small as. Oops. Yeah. Looking good. Anything else?
The peppers, I know they're a bit old, but I want to get rid of them. That's the best way. I'll put 2 in it. You like your jerk chicken?
Spicy.
Alright, put 2 in it. Don't put too much garlic. Yeah.
Let's say this.
Like, if I put 4, you won't die. I'm gonna put some mace in it. That is the red part of the nutmeg. It's very potent, so we're just gonna add a little bit. Yes.
Actually, can I smell good?
Put some black pepper in it. Yeah. So, what's your favorite type of food?
Well, honestly, I'm not really the food person. Usually, anything I get, I'd usually repeat that. You know what I mean? So if I'm going out, I'd just get things I'm used to. You know, people who are very much food enthusiasts.
Pasta guy?
Yeah, probably.
I'll add some ginger in it as well.
But I've been trying new things lately. Honestly.
You need to, bro. That's why,
So
that's
guys,
why I
you
started
can-
this cooking channel now.
Yeah, try new things.
Yes.
Man, I really admire that though. But for me, yeah, it's been like pasta when I go out. Probably some seafood sometimes.
It's boring though.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yes, I just added some MSG, some jerk seasoning. Pepper, thyme, onion, scallion, garlic, ginger. What's next? What's next? What would you add? Yeah, so add some sugar.
Yeah, some sugar. Yeah, I was just about to say sugar, but
Yeah.
yeah. And pimento.
What's jerk chicken without pimento?
Yeah, I know, right?
Chicken, just chicken.
Chicken.
It's boring. Honestly, I wanted some pimento wood, but my supplier did not pull through.
Yeah.
My pimento dealer. I think this is it.
I think so, sir. Lord, John, if this actually tastes good, may I go home and I tell all my brethren about this.
Yes, so need some liquid to blend this up in. Add some vinegar.
Oh, yeah?
See how this works. You want to do the onions?
Sure.
You want to taste it?
Right? No, yeah, sure. Yeah, this kind of taste, I think it's, yeah, for sure.
What's the
Probably
salt
too much
level?
vinegar though.
Too much vinegar?
Give it a try. It's fine. What do you think?
It's salt.
It's hot?
Need some salt.
Yeah, definitely.
So because this already have some salt in it, I want to blend it up first and see if the salt level stay.
What's this?
Add some water to this as well. Can I get some water from you, please?
Yeah, sure.
Or that.
Huh?
You have to just
Oh, the jerk chicken season.
never see that.
Add some water to this.
Pour it on the chicken?
Pour it in the chicken and put the chicken in the Ziploc bag.
On the chicken?
On. In.
So yeah, it's definitely something I've done before.
Like a pro.
Yeah, actually because all of the get-togethers with my friends, we usually, well, I don't usually do the cooking, but definitely the seasoning. So I guess I can say I'm seasoned. Get it?
I wasn't.
I'm seasoned because, never mind. But I remember explain my joke. Alright guys, so you want to get the seasoning everywhere, especially, you know, under the skin. Rub it in there. Add a lot of flavor. Because as you know, what's jerk chicken without seasoning?
Maybe just chicken.
Yeah, definitely just chicken. Honestly, I accidentally cut a chicken leg.
Deal over there, Mr. Jarrett.
I'm just making sure that the chicken is seasoned.
Oh,
I think it's good though.
you can add more seasoning to it, John.
Camila said it could have been like thicker. The seasoning that is.
Thicker?
Yeah. But it should be fine. And pick up the thing though to this crazy.
Oh.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah, I'm okay. So now we're gonna put the breadfruit. We'll put the breadfruit on the fire now. Just take out the stem. And put the eggs at the bottom to allow steam to escape. Then I'm going to stab inside. Put this on the fire. And I have one more. Delano, can you throw me the other breadfruit?
What's some part of the season?
Alright. So let that what? So let that stay right here and roast for some time now. I'm going to check on the fire on the pan, you know, jerk pan, to see what I want for that. Let's go over here. This fire is blazing, but the jerk chicken fire is not. I have to transfer some of the coal over to it. It's a nice coal. Oh.
Now I'm going to put the chicken in the bag. Alright. Why not, right? Oh,
Sure, can.
yeah. So here's the chicken that we'll cut in half.
Yeah, we're just gonna put this in the fridge now. Let it
Yeah.
stay while we work on the fire.
Oh yeah, put it in the basin.
Yeah, put it in the basin,
Alright.
put it in the fridge.
Oops.
And I'll be back when it's ready to jerk. Just wait on the fire to start. Let's say the breadfruit fire is blazing. Huh? Really, it's hot. Don't touch it. Is that it, bro? It's like I'm marking it, bro. Look.
Turn this
So
on the other
because
side.
it's a small, yeah, let's see if side. There's a small
Same side?
chicken, yeah. A small chicken. I just cut it in half. But it broke the legs on you.
No, bro, it's fine.
Yeah, so it's easier to make the chicken tender when it's whole like this. There's no reason to like salt the chicken, bro.
Just make sure it's a good dog.
Maybe the plans for tonight? Yeah, this is going to be a slow cook. So that's why I asked now, because it's going to take some time.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm not trying to take you out.
I think you should start with that next time, honestly.
Yeah, so looking for some tender jerk chicken. We don't want any trashy dry jerk chicken.
Fast.
My hands burning the same way. Yeah, so looking for a slow cook. About 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be fine. It's now 1:30.
It's about 3:30. Yeah, so let's let this stay here for some time. Give it about 20 minutes before we check on it.
Alright, let's go.
Or just flip it, you know. Just constantly flipping it. Alright? Check out the breadfruit right now.
Yeah, make sure it's
Where the gloves? Pass me. Yeah, so just pass me the gloves. Next one. Oh! That skills in them, bro. Yeah, so breadfruit good. I'm just test it. Test it by inserting the fork inside. If it's soft, you know it's ready. You want to try it?
Sure.
Insert it from the rear. Insert it between the cross, between the sling. Bro, it's hot, bro. Like, soft,
No, really. Yeah, this, yeah.
Alright, so take it out and get some water and just cool it off. So I cut out the center like so. I think it's a bit right. It's a roast breadfruit.
You the pan flip. I'll just give you guys a look on the inside. Almost there.
Yeah, from inside. Yeah, so comment below how do you like your breadfruit, roast or fried? Or boiled? I think my favorite is fried. Shit. Alright, yeah. So I constantly wet it in the seasoned water so it remains moist.
What are your leg going cut off?
Yes, the broken leg.
It actually drop off?
Yes, bro.
That's crazy.
Look at that brown. Look at this. Look at this.
Like that.
Yeah.
A little golden orange. Yeah, boy.
Like a better word. Yeah, so look at that chicken right here. Just calm things being jerked. And not many chicken get the chance to be jerked.
You know what type of chicken chickens get chosen to be jerked?
Top tier chicken? Very funny. Yeah, so we're making a sauce for the jerk chicken. A tamarind sweet spicy sauce. A lot of adjectives on. Put the onion in the pot. So we're going to fry these peppers. When this tamarind. What are you putting there? It's tamarind seed. So at this point we're going to add the ginger and the tamarind.
My people love tamarind.
Alright.
As them said shell.
Yeah, anytime he's talking too much, that's the same over there, so. Yeah? Yeah, so back to the same that. Anytime he's talking too much, just same over there, so. And let him get busy. Yeah, so 2 hours later we finally finish. Take out the delicious jerk chicken. You want the honors?
Sure.
Go on. I put the finger in it. Now maybe one in the middle. Alright.
Not bad, not bad.
So you want to taste it?
Sure. Just.
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah.
Go for the sauce. Yeah, so we got the sauce now. Let's taste it.
Alright. Alright.
You want to touch?
Smells great, by the way, guys. I just wanted to say that.
Honestly, let's taste it. Let's think about the tamarind sauce.
It's great. The tamarind sauce kind of tasted like something I've tasted before, but with the jerk chicken, it's like a whole new thing. It actually is like top tier, bro.
It's
9.2 out of 10.
9.2?
Arguably, like,
And then
could be like some of the best jerk chicken I ever taste. A tad bit spicy, but like, the best jerk chicken was actually from a friend of mine. Can you know, like pan chicken on the sidewalk, and like in public in Jamaica. Sometimes not a lot of time is put into it, right?
yeah.
But I think we really took the time today and get this right. So I guess that's why I never got left.
Yeah. Maybe a little bit more salt would be nice.
Honestly, this is
But the sauce, I like the sauce. Kind of a bit sour from the tamarind, but
and it's not even sour. But remember, it have this tangy thing, but it's not even too tangy because I don't like tangy. But yeah, this is great though.
and it's not dry. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely not dry.
Oh, wait, the breadfruit. Well, that's it for this week episode. It was nice having my friend here, Mr. Jarrett, cooking with me, making some jerk chicken. You don't know, so everything was delicious today.
It was great.
But you alright, bro? You want some water?
Please.
I have some tamarind juice in the fridge.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw today and you'd like to see me outside more, comment below, tell me what you think. Until next week Sunday, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe and comment below.
See you guys, Cocos. Alright,
what do you think about the word cocoa? It's like, you know, if I have a fan base, like, you want to be the cocos,
loyal supporters. Cocos.
and then I'll give you a bragging rights for that, okay? Yeah, but thanks for watching.
It's honestly a great show.